Welcome to Listen and Learn Tales, the channel where English learning becomes simple, practical, and fun. Here, we grow step by step through listening, reading, and repeating. Stay focused, enjoy the process, and let's make English a part of your daily life. Today's topic: the best way to learn English quickly. Learning English quickly is not just about memorizing words or grammar rules. It is about building a mindset of consistency, courage, and smart practice. English is the global language of opportunity, and mastering it can open doors to education, career, and personal growth. But the journey requires discipline and the right strategies. Let's explore step by step how you can accelerate your English learning in a motivational way. Step 1. Build the right mindset. The first step is believing that you can learn English quickly. Many learners feel discouraged, thinking they are too old, too busy, or not talented enough. But language learning is not about talent, it's about persistence. Every child learns their mother tongue through listening and repeating. You can do the same with English. Tell yourself daily, English is my key to success, and I will master it. Write down why you want to learn English: better job, study abroad, or confidence in communication. Keep this list visible to remind yourself of your goal. Step 2. Immerse yourself in English daily. Speed comes from exposure. The more English you hear, read, and use, the faster your brain adapts. Surround yourself with English in your daily life. Listen to English podcasts, songs, or YouTube channels. Read short articles, stories, or even social media posts in English. Change your phone or computer settings to English. Imagine English as a river. The more you step into it, the more natural it feels. Step 3. Focus on listening and speaking first. Grammar and writing are important, but if you want quick results, prioritize listening and speaking. Communication is the heart of language. Listening practice. Watch English movies with subtitles. First, listen carefully, then repeat sentences aloud. Speaking practice. Don't wait for perfection. Speak with friends, record yourself, or talk to yourself in English. Mistakes are proof that you are learning. Every wrong sentence is a step toward fluency. Step 4. Learn vocabulary and context. Memorizing word lists is slow and boring. Instead, learn words in sentences and real-life situations. Instead of learning apple equals a fruit, learn I eat an apple every morning. Use flashcards or apps, but always connect words to actions or emotions. Words are seeds. Plant them in sentences, and they will grow into fluency. Step 5. Master grammar through shortcuts. Grammar often feels like a mountain, but you don't need to climb it all at once. Focus on the most common structures first: present tense, past tense, and future tense. These cover most daily conversations. Shortcut: learn sentence patterns like I am, I was, I will, and expand from there. Practice: write 5 simple sentences daily using these patterns. Grammar is not a prison, it's a tool. Use it to express yourself, not to limit yourself. Step 6. Create a daily routine. Consistency beats intensity. 10 minutes every day is better than 2 hours once a week. Build a routine that fits your lifestyle. Morning: listen to an English podcast while getting ready. Afternoon: read one short article or story. Evening: speak or record yourself for 5 minutes. Imagine English as a muscle. Daily exercise makes it stronger, even if the workout is short. Step 7. Practice speaking without fear. Fear of mistakes slows learners down. To learn quickly, you must break this barrier. Talk to yourself in English when alone. Join online language exchange groups. Record your voice and listen back to improve pronunciation. Every fluent speaker was once a beginner who made mistakes. Courage is the secret ingredient of fast learning. Step 8. Use technology wisely. Apps, subtitles, and online tools can accelerate learning. But don't just consume, interact. Use apps like Duolingo, Memrise, or Anki for vocabulary. Watch English YouTube channels and repeat sentences aloud. Use AI tools to practice writing and speaking exercises. Technology is your personal coach. Use it daily, and progress will surprise you. Step 9. Surround yourself with English friends. Learning is faster when you practice with others. Find friends or communities where English is the main language. Join online forums or social media groups. Play games or watch shows with English-speaking communities. Practice small conversations daily. Language is connection. The more you connect, the faster you learn. Step 10. Build confidence through small wins. Confidence is the fuel of fast learning. Don't wait until you are perfect, celebrate small victories. If you understood a sentence in a movie, smile and note it down. If you spoke 3 sentences without hesitation, reward yourself. Keep a journal of your progress to see how far you've come. Every step forward is proof that you are growing. Small wins create big success. Step 11. Stay motivated with clear goals. Motivation fades if you don't have a clear destination. Set short-term and long-term goals. Short-term, I will learn 20 new words this week. Long-term, I will be able to give a 5-minute speech in English within 3 months. Goals are like a compass. They keep you moving in the right direction even when the journey feels tough. Step 12. Practice reading, listening, and repeating. The fastest way to learn English is through repetition. Read aloud, listen carefully, and repeat sentences until they feel natural. Choose simple texts and practice daily. Repeat phrases from movies or podcasts. Record yourself and compare with native speakers. Repetition is the mother of skill. The more you repeat, the faster fluency arrives. Step 13. Embrace mistakes as teachers. Mistakes are not failures, they are lessons. Every error shows you where to improve. Don't fear grammar slips or pronunciation errors. Ask for feedback from teachers, friends, or even technology. Treat mistakes as stepping stones, not obstacles. The only true mistake is giving up. Keep moving forward, and fluency will follow. Step 14. Stay consistent and patient. Quick learning doesn't mean overnight success. It means steady progress every day. Practice daily, even for 10 minutes. Stay patient when results feel slow. Trust the process, fluency is built brick by brick. Patience is power. The more consistent you are, the faster English becomes part of you. The best way to learn English quickly is not a secret formula, it is a combination of mindset, daily practice, smart strategies, and unshakable motivation. Surround yourself with English, speak without fear, celebrate small wins, and stay consistent. Remember, fluency is not about perfection, it is about confidence and connection. Thank you so much for staying with me and practicing through this journey. English is not just a language, it is a bridge to opportunities, friendships, and success. Keep listening, keep repeating, and keep learning every day. Don't forget to subscribe to listen and learn tales and share this journey with your friends. See you again in the next video.